Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to blur your video background in CapCut PC. So there are two ways to do this depending on whether you are a pro or free user. So in here first, open CapCut PC and then just import your video like this into the timeline. And then if you are a pro user, just simply go to effects and then just search for the galaxy blur and then just uh, apply this effect to your video like this. And then next just adjust the strength and glow as you like until you get the perfect look that you want like this. And just like that, your background will be blurred like this. You can see it, you can see the difference like this. And then in here, but if you are a free user, here's a simple trick. Don't worry, you can also blur your background easily. First, you just need to duplicate this scene or your video like this. Just duplicate your video. You can duplicate it by Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, just like usual. And then after that, just apply the blur effect to your main video. Blur effect, this one. And then just place it on here. Just the durations, like this. And then you can adjust the blur. For example, I want to make it 100%. And then next, just remove the background for your second video. You can use auto removal if you pro user, or you can also use custom removal. Just checklist and then just activate the brush and then just start to brush the area that you want to keep like this. And okay, when you successfully remove the background, you will get the effect like this. That top layer, this top video, will show your clear subject, this one, and then while the bottom layer will create the blur background like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. Now you can blur your video background in CapCut PC even without Pro. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.